2 cars. 2 new cars added to the list of cars that I reviewed already. So mom, say hi.
Hi.
That's my mom right there. She's awesome. Making Christmas cookies. Also, guys, if you want the code to getting Santa to give you everything for Christmas, always be nice at Christmas time. Be really nice. Be really good. Because Santa will come and give you special gifts. Trust me, I know Santa. In fact, me and Santa Claus hang out on the weekends. You know that, guys? Me and Santa Claus are tight. We're tight. I know Santa. So if you all nice, I can put in a good word with Santa Claus. Right, Mom? That's right, guys. So I know Santa personally, guys. Like, Santa is real, guys. No, I know Santa. We tight. In fact, Santa actually has magical powers and stuff. He can still. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, here's the vehicle we're reviewing. The 1967 was it Cobra? Was it Cobra? Yeah, Shellby Cobra. Here it is. This vehicle is $117,000. $1,000. That's how much this car vehicle cost you. So yeah. This is how much the vehicle cost you. I gotta do a walk around too. Well, you know, I'm still gonna be. You guys don't know if you guys haven't watched my 2 recent reviews. I did a walk around of the vehicle and I put music in that part, and then I went to my intro, then back to what I'm doing right now, me talking. I'm gonna do that for all my Greenville car review videos from now on. I like that style. It's great. Something new, fresh to the channel. So let's look at this thing. Look at it. Crap, you guys can't hear anything. Let me get it. I'm gonna get it in again so you guys can hear it good. Here we go. Here's what it looks like when you rev it up. Yeah! Lights. Look at them. So now we're gonna drive around. So okay, now I do think this is a great vehicle. I really like how they put in the detail work here. If you guys look here, you can see the 427. It's just lots of detail they put into this model. I think it did a great job. I really like how right here to the engine, and it's just so detailed. And I think it's great. They did a great job with it. And it really gives the vibe that Shellby classic Cobra type, deal. So we're gonna drive it, and I'm gonna just drive it so you guys can see me drive it. I won't be talking when doing this, and give you my final thoughts. And that was my review. Okay, so now it's time. It's time for final thoughts. Well, I think this vehicle is a great vehicle. You should probably get it. And actually, I decided, you know what? So what I'm gonna do is so this video, basically, I'm gonna do a different style each time. So for this video, I'm not gonna add the part where it's just walking around the vehicle and you hear music and just me. Then it goes to intro, me doing the video. Then I'm gonna add the part where I'm just driving around, just driving. That's it, just driving. I'm gonna put music in that part. I want to see if you guys like the style. I know in the beginning of the video I said I'm gonna do the other style every video. But I changed my mind during the video. So yeah, so make sure you guys watch to the end. Okay, so make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell, so that way Santa Claus will come and give you max Christmas cookies and gifts. So if you guys really want to help and you guys want to help Santa and get it, you gotta hit the subscribe button for me, notification, so maybe I can even tell Santa what you guys want for Christmas and get a special order just for you. As well as make sure you guys drop a like and comment what do you guys want for Christmas. And if you guys want to, also make sure you guys comment, do you guys leave milk and cookies for Santa Claus? Because I know that would be great, because I would take them. Right, Mom? I'll come in and just take the cookies. But again, I'll see you guys in the next.